Hey SBH, it's Jack. We're here. It is the summer of 2026 and we are in the middle of construction here in what we all know as the Social Hall. And it's hardly recognizable now because Mike and his crew from STS have been plugging away, kept us on pace, and they've found a lot of crazy things. You want to tell us about some of the crazy things that you found?
Just basically a lot of rotten wood. We're happy to be in here. If we would have waited any longer, there might have been a few issues, to be honest with you.
So it's a good thing that we did it.
It's a good thing that we did this. I rebuilt this whole wall behind me. Right now we're in the middle of rebuilding the kitchen walls. I'll have to get upstairs eventually and do some work in there.
The building is going to look better, feel better. It's going to be a warm place for us to gather for our happiest occasions. We're adding new beautiful windows to get more direct sunlight into the room. The floor is going to be improved. The kitchen's receiving upgrades too. The foyer, you're not going to recognize it when you walk in. It's going to be beautiful. I'm excited to be on this journey with you. It's great.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Love it. Now this wall looks out to the parking lot where the boys play football, all of that. You'll notice this is all new wood over here because everything was totally rotten. These beams that you see here, many of them were structurally compromised, so the STS team was able to come in and replace not only the sheathing, but the framing also, and set it up for new windows, which you can see are going to go over here, which is going to give the room beautiful, natural sunlight. These are our laborers, the laborers from STS. It's their benditos manos that are going to make this building beautiful, perfect, and safe. Guys, when it's over, you have to come back for kiddush. You're going to love it. They know.
Okay.
They know. Let's see a kiddush.